The Chinese giant salamander is critically endangered due to overhunting and habitat destruction. The axolotl is critically endangered due to pollution and the introduction of invasive species. The African wild dog is endangered due to habitat loss, disease, and human conflict in Africa. Found in the rivers of South America and Asia, the river dolphin is endangered due to pollution, and Baird's tapir is endangered due to deforestation and hunting in Central American forests. The golden poison dart frog is critically endangered due to deforestation and illegal pet trade. The leatherback sea turtle is endangered due to ocean pollution and illegal hunting. The yellow-eyed penguin is one of the rarest penguins, critically endangered by habitat destruction and predation. The Bali starling is critically endangered, facing threats from illegal trapping and habitat loss in Indonesia. The white rhinoceros is critically endangered due to poaching for its horn and habitat destruction. The Iberian lynx once faced extinction, but careful conservation has slowly brought it back. The Amur tiger survives extreme winters, yet remains critically endangered in the wild. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle is one of the rarest reptiles still alive. Western lowland gorillas are declining rapidly due to poaching and rainforest destruction. African wild dogs rely on strong pack bonds to survive shrinking savanna habitats. The spoon-billed sandpiper is disappearing as coastal wetlands vanish worldwide. The Somali wild ass is one of the rarest wild equids on Earth. The Javan rhino survives only in one small protected forest in Indonesia. The shy pygmy hippopotamus hides in forests threatened by deforestation and hunting. Spix's macaw vanished from the wild, surviving today through captive conservation efforts. The Bali starling, with its striking white plumage and blue eye markings, is critically endangered. The Javan leopard is one of the rarest big cats, living in the dense forests of Indonesia. The giant tortoise, native to the Galapagos Islands, is an ancient species nearing extinction. The okapi, often called the forest giraffe, is a rare and elusive animal found in Congo's The Kakapoo cockatoo, with its striking yellow crest, is found in northern Australia's outback. The Venezuelan poodle moth is a rare and unique species discovered in the highlands. Mountain gorillas, found in the Virunga Mountains, are critically endangered due to habitat loss. The Saiga antelope, known for its distinctive nose, faces extinction from hunting and disease. The Philippine eagle, one of the largest eagles, is found only in the forests of the Philippines. The blue dragon, a sea slug with vibrant colors, lives in the warm waters of the ocean. The Kakapoo cockatoo, native to Australia, is declining due to habitat loss and illegal wild. The Saiga antelope is critically endangered after disease outbreaks and heavy poaching across Central Asia. The black rhinoceros remains critically endangered, threatened by poaching for its highly valued horn. The vaquita is the world's rarest marine mammal, with fewer than 10 surviving in the wild. The lynx is a solitary forest predator, endangered in many regions due to habitat fragmentation. The Yangtze sturgeon is a prehistoric fish pushed to extinction by dams and river pollution. The wolverine is a powerful scavenger, threatened by climate change and shrinking northern habitats. The Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds, faces poisoning and habitat loss across South America. The Tasmanian devil is endangered due to a contagious facial tumor disease decimating population. The pygmy three-toed sloth lives only on one island, making it extremely vulnerable to extinction. The axolotl, found in Mexico, is famous for regenerating limbs but is critically endangered. The Bengal tiger, found in India, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching for its fur. The gharial crocodile, with its unique long snout, is critically endangered due to habitat loss, and the king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, is threatened by habitat loss and human persecution. The red-list lemur, native to Madagascar, is endangered due to deforestation and habitat destruction. The pygmy hippo, smaller than its relatives, is endangered due to habitat loss and poaching in West Africa. The Kakapoo parrot, native to New Zealand, is flightless and critically endangered with fewer than one. The vaquita porpoise, one of the smallest marine mammals, is critically endangered with fewer than 10 remaining. The golden langur, native to India and Bhutan, is endangered due to habitat destruction and humaning. The wolverine found in cold northern forests is a fierce predator, but its population is dwindling. The pygmy three-toed sloth lives quietly on a tiny island, extremely rare. The Arabian oryx stands proudly in deserts once extinct in wild. The Kakapoo survives carefully protected forests, a flightless parrot endangered. The whale shark swims gently oceans, the largest fish alive. The Iberian lynx walks scrublands among the rarest cats. The golden snub-nosed monkey endures snowy mountains, highly endangered. The sowler remains mysterious forests, rarely photographed alive. The hawksbill turtle glides reefs, hunted for its shell. The red wolf survives carefully managed lands, nearly lost. The giant panda symbolizes conservation, slowly recovering populations. The aye taps trees at night, one of Madagascar's strangest primates. The gelada monkey grazes highlands, living in large mountain troops. The African golden cat stalks forests, rarely seen by humans. The numbat searches for termites, a rare striped marsupial. The Malayan tapir rests near rivers, threatened by habitat loss. The Kakapoo walks forests at night, a flightless parrot endangered. The blue dragon sea slug drifts oceans, beautiful yet venomous. The red-handed tamarin climbs trees, bright hands clearly visible. The giant salamander lives in streams, an ancient amphibian species. The Yangtze finless porpoise swims rivers, one of the rarest dolphins. High in the frozen Himalayas, this silent ghost walks alone, unseen, ruling the mountains with steps. Deep in Congo's waste, this gentle giant moves quietly, shaping the forest with the Asian unicorn of the jungle, so rare that even scientists barely glimpse this. The largest animal on Earth glides silently through deep oceans, a giant hidden beneath endless waters. Small, shy and rare, this beautiful climber survives quietly in shrinking mountain forests with its long, narrow snout, this ancient river hunter waits patiently beneath the still water. One of the world's most powerful eagles, ruling rainforest skies with strength, precision, and unmatched vision. A creature that never grows up, capable of regrowing its body parts like real-life magic. A peaceful family living in the mist, powerful yet gentle, sharing deep emotions like humans. The rarest marine mammal on Earth, quietly disappearing as only a few remain in the wild. In the silent desert night, this tiny wildcat hunts beneath the moon across shifting dunes. With huge, glowing eyes, this gentle primate moves slowly through forests under the cover of a young hunter learning to strike, practicing powerful kicks across Africa's open grasslands. Resting along warm riverbanks, this ancient reptile waits patiently beneath still, muddy water. Across freezing plateaus, this antelope races through thin air of the high Himalayas. In misty cloud forests, this rare bird perches quietly with its unique red horn. Under moonlit skies, thousands of turtles return to beaches to lay their eggs. Perfectly camouflaged, this slender snake blends into leaves, striking quickly with deadly precision. In icy tundra, this fox survives extreme cold with thick fur and clever hunting skills. With dazzling colors, this bird performs an extraordinary dance to attract a mate. In dense Asian forests, this elusive golden cat moves silently, rarely seen by humans. With gentle faces and long tails, these monkeys live peacefully on forest cliffs in Thailand. Flying low over rivers, this bird slices the water surface to catch small fish. In murky rivers, this crocodile waits patiently before launching a sudden, powerful attack. Known for its many antlers, this deer lives in marshy grasslands across northern India. With its large casque beak, this bird spreads seeds across forests of the Western Ghats. The largest sea turtle rises to breathe, traveling vast oceans across the planet. Raising its hood, this iconic snake warns enemies before striking with deadly venom. This shy scavenger roams rocky deserts at night, searching for food across harsh landscapes. Soaring high above mountains, this giant vulture rides air currents for hours without flapping.